You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 12/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by 3 opening brace y closing brace to the power of opening brace 2 closing brace plus 15y plus 18. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 12 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -11. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is y equals 12/11.